Hello, this is Terelis and I will be presenting Virtual Roll Call version 4. The team members of this project were myself, Terelis Pereira, and Juan Hernandez. The product owner was Jason Cohen and Frank Alvarado, and the instructor, Masood Sujati. The fourth version was built in the spring of 2018. Roll call is a briefing meeting in police departments where shift supervisors share critical information with officers. Officers cannot always be present for the briefings, preventing them from receiving vital information. Sometimes, also, if the officers were able to go to the meeting, if something comes up in the middle of the day, it's hard for supervisors to pass along critical information. So it could be difficult for supervisors to distribute new material after the meeting is over. As a solution to this problem, Virtual Roll Call is a web application that eliminates the need for in-person roll calls. It allows officers to receive information in real time and verifies that officers have reviewed the required documentation. As a system design, we chose two architecture patterns. The first one is the model view controller, and the second one is the client server. In the model view controller, we used the framework AngularJS, and we had help of JavaScript, HTML5, we have CSS, and we have Bootstrap for the front end of the application. On the server side, we used PHP, and for the database, we use MySQL. As we can see, for the class design, we have a DB handler class that serves as a facade design pattern. This class is the middleware between the view layer and the database. Also, we have a data service, which is a class that serves as a service for all the controllers to communicate with the database to send either selects, inserts, deletes, any kind of request to the database. We have different controllers. We have shared controllers that multiple profiles can use. We had admin, supervisor, officer, and also a controller designated for login. And as part of the profiles, we have admin profile, supervisor profile, and officer profile. This will be used depending on the user that is logged in into the system.